It starts out as a really simple concept. Loud is more, quiet is less. But we soon learn that volume can be much more complicated if we want it to be. What we're going to do on this course is to look at all of the tools which are going to allow us to manage it, whether that's volume automation, whether it's changing clip gain on individual regions, whether it's using plugins to manage gain, or whether or not it's using those same plugins to change the tonal relationship between sounds because of the way we pass volume from one plugin to the next. There are so many ways in which we can control and manage volume, and all of them offer creative, exciting opportunities. We're going to look at grouped controllers for volume like VCA faders and even velocity control via keyboards. LUFs, what they are and how we need them. Volume automation to tell the story of a mix. Dynamics processing so we can understand a little bit more about how compression and limiting affect volume. The thing is, volume is present from the moment you decide to make a recording all the way through to the final stages of a mix or a master. And what we're going to do on this course is to follow volume all the way through its journey from start to finish.